These are the 3 things consistently profitable traders do that you are probably currently not doing. And number 1 is what really separates profitable traders from those unprofitable traders. Let's get real for a moment. Most struggling traders are chasing excitement. They are looking out for the latest indicator out there, the next holy grail strategy, because they think what they're using is not as good. But when it comes to consistently profitable traders, they're always chasing consistency, because from the outside, this looks very boring. And to them, that's exactly what they want to actually pursue. So to break this down, they use the same setup in each session, on each pair. They use the same exact thing, because this way their mind is focused on only seeing that one thing in the market. And once they see it, they go ahead and strike. They follow a particular trading plan that every time everything in their plan actually appears in the market, they go ahead and take that particular trade. They are not emotionally driven like many struggling traders out there, because when it comes to most struggling traders, they see maybe a particular trend happening in the market, they go ahead and take a long or short right there. But when it comes to consistently profitable traders, they follow a particular system. So they know exactly when to enter the market and when not to enter. Once you know this, trust me, you become unstoppable in your trading, because you do not have to depend on your gut to, enter a trade or maybe exit a trade. You must have a consistent system that you use to actually take profits from the market. Trust me, if you can't explain your last 5 trades like a case study, then my friend, you are not trading. You are gambling right there. So try and develop a system that you are going to use to actually trade these markets. Profitable trading should feel repetitive, just like in a factory that once goods are maybe from this assembling point, they are put on a conveyor belt and then they go to the next step, and this, system keeps repeating. It keeps repeating, and that's how you get good products out. That's exactly how you need to be as a trader. You must follow the same system today, tomorrow, today's session, tomorrow's session, like that. Once you incorporate this into your trading, you'll be amazed by the results you're going to start getting in your trading. Now, number 2 is that most new traders think the bigger the lot size, the bigger the profits they are going to actually make from the markets. But when it comes to the profitable traders, they know that this is the fastest way to actually blow their account. So what the consistently profitable traders do is that they have a fixed risk in the market. They do not usually go beyond the 1% risk on each trade. Now, if you start incorporating this, you trading not by your gut, but by a particular trading system that you've designed, that for me to enter this trade, this is the kind of lot size that I must use, and that lot size should be calculated based on my account size, and it shouldn't be beyond the 1% limit. Profitable traders don't risk money in the market just because they are so sure about a particular trade, because they know this is a game of probabilities. You are going to win some trades and they are going to lose some trades. So once you know this, having that mindset that thinks in probabilities, you'll be amazed by how you are going to confidently start putting on trades in the market for you to become one of the most successful traders. Let me tell you this, if you can't consistently make money with a small lot size, this could be actually with a small account. If you can't make money with a small account, you definitely will not make money with a big account. So try and, develop some kind of rules you are going to use in your trading, and this is what is going to actually enable you get to those big levels. Once you're consistent in the small accounts, you will definitely be consistent with the big account when it comes your way. I'm telling you, the big account will only magnify your losses in the market. So do not think that if I get a big account, this is when I'm going to become a profitable trader. You will still remain inconsistent and you will still remain struggling as a trader. Consistently professional trading is not about winning big. It's about losing little or losing small in the market. Once you start, doing this, especially when it comes to your risk to reward ratio, if it is a good one, it will enable you lose small in the market. And for those wins, you're going to be winning very big in the market. And this is how you remain profitable in the market. Now, this is the most important. If you're to take away anything from this video, this right here is what you should be taking away from this particular video. And this is actually what most traders get wrong. They think staying long on the charts is what it takes for you to become a hard worker, for you to become a profitable trader. And I'm telling you, that is all wrong. Profitable trading is all about doing less. I'm telling you, the less you do in the market, the more profits you're going to start getting in your P&L or in your account. Profitable traders only go for high quality setups, or you could call these the A setup kind of trades. So these are the only type of trades I need you to start going out for. Do not go for any kind of trade or any kind of opportunity that you see in the market. Only go for your ASAT setup kind of trades. Once you start doing this, you're going to be amazed by how great your trading is going to change. And then, of course, you do not have to chase price. If price has, let's say, left you, it is okay. If, let's say, your entry was at this level and maybe you step away for a bathroom break, or it could be any reason you might have for stepping away, and then coming back, you find when price has already left your entry level, you do not have to chase after that price. Let price go. If it is to come back to your level, that's the only time I need you to be entering that trade. Do not chase after the market. Do not chase after price. So once you develop this patience in your trading, you'll be amazed by how your trading is going to change. Because when it comes to profitable trading, 80 to 90% of the time, you're only going to be waiting. You need to learn to actually sit on your hands. You do not have to be pressing that buy or sell button. Sometimes you just have to watch the market and, let it do its thing. Only and only take a trade when price has come to your level. Do not chase price. Let it come to you, and then this is the only time you're actually going to be taking that trade. I'll tell you this, that most of my profitable trading weeks, I only take maybe 1 or 2 trades in that entire week. So I do not have to be trading every single day because I'm only and only waiting for that A setup. If it comes my way, then I'm definitely taking the trade. So you do not have to be trading every single day. So maybe to recap on this, at number 3, we said you must embrace the boring stuff. And then number 2, we said you must learn to actually risk less on your trades. And then number 1, which is the most important, is the fact that you must learn to wait more than you actually trade. So once you start incorporating this into your trading, you'll be amazed by how great your results are going to start changing. Now, here's the question I want you to answer in the comments. Which amongst these 3 have you been guilty of? Let's talk about it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, please like the video, share it with someone out there that is still struggling, because trust me, this will be of great help to them. And if you're out there and you're still finding it hard to stay consistent in your trading, I created this video right here that will enable you with the 5 steps to actually become a consistently profitable trader. So check out that video. It will be able to change exactly how you trade.